This week, a quick and easy, crunchy, spicy chicken burgery type thing. Hot, spicy, tasty and quick, just like me. Ingredients: chicken breast, cornflakes, spicy seasoning mix, cob slash bun slash whatever you want to call it around your area, lettuce, hot sauce. First part is easy. Crush some cornflakes into, well, smaller cornflakes I suppose. Then mix in the spice mix. I used about a teaspoon of peri peri chicken mix. It was quite peppy. But you know, choose whichever flavour you prefer. Take the chicken breast, wrap it in cling film. Then take a rolling pin or a large item that's heavy enough to bash something out and commence bashing the hell out of the chicken breast. This tenderises it, makes it thinner and quicker to cook, and also takes out all your frustrations from being locked down for so goddamn long. Once the chicken breast is flat enough, this is about ½ centimetre thick now, open up the said cling film and smear hot sauce over the top and bottom sides. I've used some Frank's hot sauce because that's what I had in the fridge, and these recipes are all about using what you have available to you at this moment in time. This also flavours the chicken breast and helps that cornflake mix stick. Empty the spiced cornflake mix thing onto a plate. Take your chicken breast and place it onto the plate gently. Then turn it over, making sure you get an even coating of the crummy, cornflakey, spicy, mixy thing. Make sure after handling raw chicken you wash your hands thoroughly. We should all be well practiced at that right now. And make sure you wash all your utensils and definitely your chopping board as well. Heat a frying pan to a medium heat. Not too hot, not too cold, medium. Add a little oil or butter, which whatever you prefer, and not lying around. I use a bit of vegetable oil, but you know, take your choice. Put the chicken into the frying pan and cook evenly on both sides for around about 5 minutes aside. I can't emphasise this enough. Make sure it's thoroughly cooked through. Raw chicken, bad. Take your cob slash roll slash bun slash whatever you want to call it, cut it across the middle like you would do normally. Insert some lettuce, some tomato if you prefer, lettuce and tomato if you prefer, any kind of ingredients you want. This is not a strict recipe, you can do what you want. You can also add whichever sauces you want as well. I've had it plain because I haven't got any sauces in the fridge at the moment, but you can have mayo, tomato ketchup, brown sauce, curry sauce, peri peri sauce if you want even more spice. It's up to you, go for it. When chicken's thoroughly cooked through, put it in your bun. You know, close the bun. Eat and enjoy. Be careful, it will be hot and you can burn yourself. Spicy cornflake chicken burger thing done. Crunchy. I don't know what the hand movement is. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to leave us a thumbs up if you like this video, put us a thumbs down if you didn't like this video. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. That's what it's called, comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos, and also ding that bell, because if you don't ding the bell it won't tell you when we put new videos up. You can also check out our Twitter feed or our Instagram page for behind the scenes, photos, you know, general merriment. Thanks for watching this video folks, and don't forget to check out more videos on our channel. Make sure you folks stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, see you next time.